Very good afternoon, one and all. My name is Dr. Kuljit Chikalo. I have been working at GNMS Business School Library as library manager for 18 years now. I would like to share about reading habit. As rightly said, today's reader and tomorrow leaders. So all the famous authors and I can say the leader who stay continue their reading habit and they want to be inculcating their reading habit and sustain their reading habit. First, if reading is a habit you don't like to get into, there are a number of ways to cultivating it. First, realize your reading is highly enjoyable activity. If you have a good book, if you have a lousy book or an extremely difficult one and you are forcing yourself through it, it will seem like a chore if this happens for several days in a row. Consider amending the book and finding one that you will really love. So that is more important thing, that book which you like you should read that book only. Don't start with your boring book. So which if you want to develop your reading habit, first you choose the good book to start reading. So as research also shown the result, those who are reading regularly they improve a lot. And I would like to share, it will be improve your brain connectivity, increase your vocabulary and comprehension, empower your empathy with other people, and add in sleep readiness. It will be reduce your stress level, low blood pressure and heart rate. As a librarian, I would like to share at a GNMS Business School what initiative we are taking to promote our reading habit and inculcating reading habit amongst the youngster. So I would like to share, we have a DEAR activity which called DEAR Drop Everything and Read. And this activity will be initiated every month on the date of 15th, and where we will encourage our student to read more and more, at least half an hour through our different channel. We will be monitoring our student how they will be reading or they are cheating, and we will be maintained from last 3 years this activity. And we second activity which we have a suggestion writing competition, where we will ask our student to write something, and we will be come up with the topic, and where they on the spot they will be choose one topic and write on that particular topic. And this is we have annual activity. The third activity which we have, that author outreach program, this is again annual activity. And we call author from the famous author from our management field, and where the author itself address a student and share their experience, and they motivate our student to read more and more, and they give the importance, what is the importance of readings and all. The fourth activity which we have, that book review competition, so where we can tell our student to make participation in book review competition, and where we have a cross culture event like MMS and PG course, and then we have a healthy competition among the student. So they can till the time we will not give any reward to our student will be not get up on that mode to be read more. So we are just pushing them to read more and more, and we have a healthy competition among in the part of book review competition. And the other activity which we have, uh, top 10 user. So with this help of our slim 21 software, we came to know who's the user who use our library resource maximum in this particular month. On the basis of their resources, we will be displaying their name with photo, and we will be communicate to the student through our website as well as from our notice board to came to know who's the top 10 user in this particular month. And the same activity, like we have a top 10 books also, where we came to know which are the 10 books which utilize maximum by the user. So student get some motivational, so why these 10 books are important, why maximum student read this book, so they come up with, and they will be start reading on that particular books when they get the time. And the other activity which we come up after completion of their course, student come up with for the lifetime membership for our institute, because our institute is very central located and where people can easily reach. And even our nearby student, those who stay in nearby, they can also taken a lifetime membership to, those who want to be keep and they want to be stay connect with their reading habit. So they come up with and they can take a lifetime membership to read it. And I would like to share, even our library is functioning from all the 7 day from 7 to 7, where can student can get easily accessible, and I can say they can conveniently they can reach in our library, they can stay peacefully their time, and they can read more and more. So our motto is to students should make maximum utilization of library resources, as well as they can inculcating their reading habits, so they can, the young generation, and even I can say new kids generation. I have the experience because our lifetime member, those who are coming, and they always share their experience about their kids. So they want some space where our kids can also, you know keep habit, and I can say they can maintain their activity. And we are going to, open in our near future to kids zone activities in our campus. So, to be bond our new generation, new young kids generation to be, in this reading habit activity. And so our country can be more educated, and more reading habit, healthy reading habit they can adopt. So I think this difficult situation COVID-19 gave a lot of activity and lot of learning experience, which we can, share through our user. Even we can exchange our idea through our colleagues through this online platform. So I must thanks to the organizer give us chance to give the outline of, or we can speak on this particular topic, so we can reach out on more and more user to read and develop their reading habit. So thank you so much.